Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to insert a table into your Trello boards. Begin by navigating to the Power UPS section and selecting the option to add a new one. In the search bar, type Table and choose the Tables and Spreadsheets tool. Look for this specific icon, then click Add and confirm the installation. Once integrated into your workspace, the tool will appear in your menu. You can now close the setup window. To access it later, just head back to your Power UPS list where tables and spreadsheets will be ready for use whenever needed. To get started, open any Trello card and select the option to add a table. You can create a fresh one, duplicate an existing layout, or import data. For a new table, provide a title and customize it with a specific color or icon. Next, define your columns as shown here and hit the Save button. Your new table is now active and ready. Thanks for following along. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.